I need to latch a bed up, a Murphy bed kind of thing. And I'm going to use this, but because I can't find what I'm looking for. The problem is this needs to go flat on the door, and this needs to go, that pin needs to go out the other side so I can put a longer bolt. And I'll show you how I'm going to do this. So that's how I want it to go, because, and then where that will go into there. And it won't, obviously. This was designed to go like that, in and out. So what I found on this is this. So how this is designed is to actually go on like that, you know, with a door in the middle kind of thing, so it latches like that. But that's not going to work. I have to go like this, and this is 3/4 inch thick, and I don't want to drill into that. So the idea here is to take this, screw it on like that, drill a hole in there, and this goes into there. But my other problem is this is on the wrong side. It's got to stick through the other side. So this unscrews, rotate it around, put the screw on the other side. I'm going to drill a slot in here that goes in like that, and on the other side comes out this. But the other problem is that's too short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one of these screws in, self-tapping. It'll drill all the way through, and I'll be able to put a metal handle or a wooden handle on the other side of that. Clean off that edge. Yep. There we go. Now, let's slide into there. Clean up a little. That bit's bad. But it works. what it looks like from the inside. This is all going to be covered from basically from here all the way across, and then there'll be a handle on there. That's what it looks like. Same way. Okay.